Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. JoshTalks is hiring for academic advisor. Job location is Pune, Maharashtra. Let us get to know about the job. So key responsibilities are to send template-based WhatsApp text and pre-recorded audio notes to the students coming and asking about our interactive spoken English course, and self-recorded audios to answer student queries and properly counseling them to buy the course. Strictly no calls to be made to the customer. Proper follow-ups to be given to all the students who are asking about the course and prompting them with proper rebuttals. Our batch starts every week on Fridays. So every academic counselor has to talk to 300 students in 6 days. In 6 days time. And properly reward them with positive feedback in all 3 questions regarding the course. If not able to answer the questions, escalating the questions to the manager. Salary is 15k, incentive 300 rupees per course sale. Lunch will be provided. Medical insurance, JoshTalks Founders Certificate of Appreciation, immediate joining. Now let's get to know about the JoshTalks. We started in 2015 by giving Bharat access to stories of relatable role models and building what is now one of India's largest regional content distribution networks. In 2020, we launched our app to help youth of Bharat speak English without hesitation. The app generated powerful user feedback, industry-leading retention rates, unlocking new employment opportunities for our users. As of December 2022, our content has garnered 2.5 plus billion lifetime views with an average of 180 plus million monthly views across platforms. The JoshTalks English speaking app has 5 plus million downloads and 260,000 plus paid users who used our flagship peer-to-peer feature and 95 plus million minutes practicing English. With partners such as Amazon, Meta, Diageo and more, we continue to scale for new solutions to mobilize the next 500 million and work with communities across India to create a SDG realized future. To find out more about our work, you can visit JoshTalks website here. If you are eligible for this job role, you can apply by clicking on this easy apply button. After that, you have to fill the application and submit this application. You can find the link in the description and apply for this job role. All the best, and if video helpful लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फॉर मोर लेटेस्ट जॉब अपडेट्स चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.